This could have been the end of my life. But everything changed when I chose the right path. In this video, I will tell you how I went from editing videos on a broken laptop to working with big brands and famous content creators. This is my 8-year journey of failures, lesson, and growth. So let's go back to the beginning. I wasn't the top student, not even average. I come from a middle-class family in Bangladesh. My dad worked really hard to support us, but at the time, I was just a regular 15-year-old kid playing with friends, enjoying my life, but I didn't know something big was about to change. When I was 10 or 12, I loved tech. My relatives used to ask me to fix their phones or laptops or any devices. I could learn anything fast if I liked it. I loved watching aircrafts and learning how to make paper planes on YouTube. I had no idea that learning from YouTube would become my biggest strength. In 2016, YouTube started growing in Bangladesh, and my dad gave me his old desktop and luckily an internet connection. It was a really slow computer, but somehow I managed it. One day I found out YouTubers get paid by making videos. So I started making paper plane video and uploaded them. My first video got over 1,000 views. And you know what? That small win gave me confidence. After that, I tried making videos with my friends. I tried funny videos on YouTube that didn't work. Then in 2017, I saw a video on YouTube with the word freelancing. It said people could earn money online by learning digital skills. I failed at YouTube, but freelancing felt like a second chance to me. So I signed up on Upwork, Fiverr, Freelancer, almost every platform I could. Trust me, I had no skills, but I kept trying new things. Then things got worse. I dropped out of school. My dad had to leave the country for a better job. But before he left, he gave me his laptop. And my old PC was almost dead. So I tried web development, graphic design, music production, even game development. But nothing worked. I felt completely lost until one day in 2019, I remembered something. I used to make videos, right? And I already knew a bit about video editing. That's when everything started to change. So waiting for what? I opened Fiverr again and changed my profile, and I made one simple gig about video editing by watching some YouTube videos and tutorials. And guess what? On April 7th, I got a message from a client. I had no idea what to say and what to do, but I said yes. I watched tutorials for 2 days straight, and somehow I finished that project. He paid me $30. That $30 changed my whole life. It was the first time I believed that I could actually do this. After that, things started to grow. I got another long-term clients after 7 days. In that first month, I earned $100. I didn't know how to withdraw the money, how to communicate with clients, how to deal with clients, nothing. But I learned fast. I figured it all out by myself. No mentor, no guide, no course, just me and the internet. I bought my first PC, set up a small workstation. In 2019, I also started getting clients from Upwork. I worked with 20 to 25 clients before 2020. Before the pandemic. And I made a lot of mistakes. There were delays, miscommunications, missed deadline, late response, but I kept learning. During the pandemic, the market became really competitive. That's when I decided to focus on one thing. I started creating content for YouTubers, both like long form, short form, and also I worked with real estate agents, business owners, and founders. I built my home studio and started my own agency called Framezy Studio. Because I knew to grow big, I couldn't do everything alone. Now I work with CEOs, business owners, founders, big brands, and agency owners around the world. I help them grow their brands and achieve their goal by making high quality videos, result driven videos. I also took video editing course after 2001. I improved my English and learned how to talk to clients. And now clients trust me so much they don't even want to leave me. Here is a recap. From a broken laptop to building a dream life. And honestly, this journey is just getting started. Now that I look back at my 8-year journey, I realized something important. I didn't have a roadmap. I didn't have a mentor, but I had curiosity. I had hunger, and I never stopped learning. Here are the 5 biggest lessons that I have learned so far from my 8-year journey. Number 1, start with what you have. Just do it. Like, look at me. I started with a broken laptop. Trust me, you don't need the best gear or cameras or device. Just get started. Number 2, don't chase trends. Follow your own strengths. I tried many skills: web development, game development, music production, graphic design, but editing was something I already had experience in. That's where I grew. Number 3, be a fast learner. I didn't wait for a course. I didn't wait for a mentor. I didn't wait for someone to guide me. I figured things out step by step, watching thousands of YouTube tutorials and writing notes every day. Number 4, consistency beats motivation. It's simple. You won't be inspired every day, but if you keep showing up, results will come. Number 5, your story matters. Clients don't just buy your skill. They trust your journey, your value, and your mindset. That's what keeps them coming back. So, if you're just starting out or you feel lost, trust me, it's totally okay. Your success won't be instant, but if you stay curious, keep learning, and never quit, your story will be your biggest asset. This is just my beginning. If you are on the same path, let's grow together. And don't forget to subscribe this channel. I will share more videos about how to be a successful video editor, how to deal with clients, how to manage clients, and how to build your own personal brand from my 8-year journey. So until next time, bye-bye.
Yeah.